Hey guys, Coach Kimmy here. So this is Agnes and we are going to give her a straight blunt line. So this is the thing. Look how pretty she looks with this. Look how nice the haircut is anyway, right? It looks so pretty. So where are we gonna go with this, Agnes?
I was thinking to take out like 2 inches, like a blunt, and some hair.
She loves that blunt, straight line. All right, good. So I will turn this around. I love doing a dry cut. It really helps. Basically, you sit down because you want to be at the level of the hair. You want to definitely get a seat. And then I'm gonna split it down the middle. And then I'm going to take half of that, cut it up, with this half, put it up, and I want your head up. Now I'm going to kind of like, I want to get this cape out of the way because I really want to see where we want it. And look, if we get that curl, see how it's curling naturally right there? It's gonna come straight here. No elevation. And it's gonna come straight this way. Nice straight line. Now I'm going to take the next section. Don't elevate it, don't pull it out. Sorry. Okay. And now you want to be able to see your guide through there. It's right there. Now I'm going to come right on top. I got to turn the scissors around because that thing is in the way. And you don't want it to go up or down, right? You don't want it to be like flipped up or down.
No, it's like a straight line.
Oh yeah, straight line. Beautiful straight line. How nice and straight that is. I'm just trying to hit a little bit. So good. Looks so good already. Just take that, like you don't realize that little extra piece, right? But you did it really good, I have to say. I still really like the way you did it. And it still looks really pretty. Now, you could still use the comb or you could just use freehand because I could see the line really well, but I'm gonna use the comb. This way. Now, because she had a little bit of layers, I like this is like your last part. Okay, so you're going to take it, comb it down, but not real tight. You're not going to put a lot of tension on it. Turn your head this way. Wow, that looks so cute. And then I have to turn it this way. Now that is a beautiful straight line. I took about that much off, and look how nice it made it. So now we gotta turn her to the side. And now we have to connect that piece. Now listen, you see it's not a ton of hair here, right? Because we just did that whole back. And I wanna take a little more piece there. Now you're gonna comb it. And you gotta be very gentle around that ear. Go down. A nice straight line. Okay, now we're gonna go the other side. You know, feel that ear, comb it all down. You're making sure everything's nice and clean. Okay, now I'm gonna push it to the line. Now I'm just gonna check it with my fingers. Just little bits. And that is so nice and straight. And then I'm just gonna look at it all, see is there anything else that I can do, maybe underneath. You always check in that hair, right? And she has a little bump, like curl in here, so you know it's gonna change it a little bit. Once you pull it straight, it's like perfect. Yeah. Beautiful line right there. And you're just checking it all the way around. Just look and see where it's at. And then do you want to do any layers in there, Agnes?
Oh, no, just a little bit, but I guess about the line. So take off that the ends.
Yeah, you want to trim off the ends? Yeah. What about your front?
Yeah, also like a curtain.
Curtain bang.
Yeah.
All right, curtain bangs. You know, so I do them a couple different ways. I could take that piece right there, and I could either turn them and do it that way, or I look and see where I want it. Push some hair back, make sure it's even on both sides. I'm just telling the camera, sorry. And then I'm gonna take my fingers and go like on an angle. Okay? And that will lay back very nice. And then I'll take this piece, I'm gonna take a piece from the other side and go the same way. You know, in the same direction. Now just look at them and check it, make sure you got a nice V. See that V? Perfect. Yeah. So that will be good. And then I would just want to take all her hair and I'm just gonna check it. So I'm gonna take all this up and just smidge the ends. Now listen, I'm actually, so I don't really want to angle her so much because I like that nice straight line and I like her feathered bang with that. So I'm really just gonna go straight up. Okay, because that's gonna be the line. And I'm just smidging those ends. Smidging. Get all those ends off. Perfect. And I'm going around the beach ball, okay, of just getting some ends off. Yep, that back. And basically, I am not gonna cut a straight line in that back. Why? Because it's gonna make it go under. I don't want it under, I want it straight. So I'm just really gonna take all the top and just make sure it's a straight line at the top. And I will put a little bit of layers in her hair, but very little. And it's not gonna take away from the straight line. Just straight up, just feel it straight up. See if there's anything in there that needs a little bit more baby hairs. It's called a dusting because we don't really cut lots of layers in her hair. So who does she look like? She's like a Cameron Diaz haircut, right? Like her face structure is so pretty, just like Cameron Diaz. I feel like she reminds me of her face structure, face shape, and the same color hair. So that is who I would look at. Like when she picks out hairstyles, Cameron Diaz would be a perfect like match for her. It's always good to see like who does your hair resemble, or who does your face resemble. Like, you know, listen, we all love famous people, right? They're beautiful, they're fun. You want to see who's your match. Like I like the Farrah Fawcett look, or the Jacqueline Smith. Gonna bring all this up, 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 and you barely have to do anything to it. Now this whole side's gonna come up. Let's see if I can trim any more. Very little adjusting. Yep, and that is it. Let me see. Beauteous, beauteous. Now you gotta check it. So I'm gonna look at her and make sure like these match up, right here and there. Take them, pull them, and see. Perfect. Perfect. And she already had her hair ready and washed, so this was a dry cut. Yeah, what do you think? Doesn't she look beautiful? Let me show you the back too. I want you to look at it. All right, let's see. So I want to show it to you. See the nice straight line? Straight line. Beautiful. And then this goes back. See, she has those little bit of layers. But look at that nice straight line with it, right? And then this will go back.